Here we come to the elevator at Beijing West Railway Station in Beijing, China. This is a ThyssenKrupp hydraulic elevator, which is very rare to find in China. Hydraulic elevators are not very common. We got people joining, so hopefully we're able to hear the motor well. I love that chime.
Or if you want to wait, you will have people get on first. Or you can wait second round.
I'm not ready to you just want to hear this motor. Yep, I saw it up there. Well, it appears that this is traction, I think, and not hydro. Well, I withstand corrected. It's obviously traction from what it looks like. It's hard to tell, but anyways, that was your updated take.